Alright, so I got another little quick one for you. I've got this here MTD Task Force 5 horsepower Rototiller. This is a 1991. And if you notice, she's missing something. And it looks a lot like that. The throttle handle snapped off the first time I actually used this thing. So rather than fiddling around and trying to make a makeshift repair for this, I just went ahead and bought another one that has a solid metal shaft on the throttle handle, and we're just going to huck that in there, and it should be real easy. I think it's one Phillips head screw, two flat heads, just a little bit of finagling with the internals and swapping out the new one, and that should be it. So this is the kit I bought. It's just the housing, a screw, and a handle. That's the part right there. It's for a Cub Cadet or a Troy-Bilt, so this should work on many different models of Rototiller, anything else that has a similar sort of throttle setup. So I'm gonna get to it because I'm sick of having things that are broken, because everything I own is broken at some stage of brokenness. So I'm going to unbrokenate at least this part of it, and we'll forget about the fact that like the entire fuel system on this leaks gas everywhere. All right, let's get to it. Alright, first things first, just going to take a Phillips head and take this screw off, and hopefully it is not seized. If we're lucky. This is way too tight though. Alright, that's out. That should let us push this guy up through here when it's breaking already. Got a spring clip on the back. Good thing I bought a whole unit, because this thing is just about to go. And there, now we can get at these two flatheads, disassemble this, stick our new housing in there. Should be easy as pie, so let's get to it. Alright, same sort of situation. I haven't been in here, so I really don't know what this is going to look like. But I think it's pretty dirt simple. I think this mostly just holds the throttle cable in place, and this holds this arm. Alright, let's see what's in here. Ooh, yeah. She just sort of blew apart on me. Looks like we have a corrugated washer, and that's it. Oh, mud dauber nest, that's what was holding it together. Oh, and that. Whew. So there's a throttle cable. It's just got a little S hook on it, and there's this whole system. So we're just going to assemble the new one, huck that in here, and hopefully that's it. Alright, so here what we got, really simple. Just, what is this, like 7 parts? So, new throttle handle, that goes on here. Just make sure you line it up correctly. I've got mine all the way out, so I'm going to put that all the way out. Then we got the corrugated washer, which goes on here, and this just puts spring pressure on this whole system. It's a spring and a washer at the same time. I've got this little, like, Teflon nylon washer, and I'm not really certain where it goes. I'm going to assume I should put it on first so that the throttle moves, because this is not going to move, so it's not going to need to be, you know, adding lubrication to that. So I'm thinking putting it on there should be correct. I don't think it matters either way. It'll do the same thing, but I think it's better on this. Then this clamshell comes over like that, and then these two screws go in there. But before we do any of that, we need to take this guy and do some of this, like that, and then assemble all of this around that. So I'm going to get to that. Alright, let's see if we can do this before the phone overheats. So this guy comes up here. Put it all the way this way. This, and then this, and then this, which is a little sketchy. Okay, That's going to take a lot of hands, more than I have. So I've made the plastic washer fit on this, and I'm going to stick this corrugated washer on top of it. And we're just going to install it like that because that's the only way I think I can get this on here with everything lined up. Make sure that is in the correct place as well. Oh, I need to jam this throttle cable in here as well. So that it fits into that slot right there. Then do all of this. Man, this is like a seven-handed job, and I can't take this out of the tiller either. And I got all these holes. Alright, I'm gonna go out of frame real quick. Maybe. I don't think I even can. Okay, new problem. These plastic pins don't want to seat home. There they go. They just need way too much force for what they are. Christ. So what are you fighting me for? Huh? Oh, there's two of them there, that's why. There we go. Mostly. Alright, so this guy is not seating for some reason, so I'm just going to squeeze on it really hard, and if it still decides it's not going to, I'm going to go get the pliers out of said box. Hope for the best. Oh, that's all it needed. Okay, I don't know why you had to fight me like that. Okay, that was easy, no problem at all. So we're just going to tighten these down. Make sure the throttle works. That's tight, so we're going to back this off quarter turn. Now we'll see what it does. Alright, it's just going to want to do that, so it's just going to stay that way. It doesn't impede the function of the tiller at all, just makes that very stiff. So we're going to swoosh this guy back on in here, like so. Put our screw back in. That's way less noticeable with it in there. Slide my throttle cable back out. Alright, I think we're good to go. Okay, let's see if this bad boy fires up just fine. I haven't run it in a month. And there we go. I was just dumb, and I forgot I had this in the wrong direction. For whatever reason, I was thinking that that was throttle closed. So, yeah, works just fine now. I was thinking I had an ignition issue there for a hot minute. Turns out I don't. I'm just stupid. There she is, good and fixed. Throttle works great now. Oh, it is incredibly loud, though, but at least I know it's not going to come out underneath vibration. Hope this helps. If this video helps you, go down there, give it a like, comment, tell me something, I don't know. What is your favorite rototiller? I don't know why you have a strong opinion of that, but let me know. Let me know what kind of models this also works on, other than just this crappy 30-year-old task force. And yeah, if you want to see more of this garbage, you gotta subscribe. Go down there, smash that subscribe button, and until next time, I'm out.